कनेक्ट बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग क्लब का 1 वर्ष संपन्न हुआ। इस उपलक्ष्य पर एक मीटिंग आयोजित की गई। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत 2 मिनट मेडिटेशन कर की गई। संस्थान के फाउंडर लक्ष्य जायसवाल ने बताया कि यह एक व्यापारिक मीटिंग है जहां लोग आपस में अपने संपूर्ण कार्य व्यापार को साझा करते हैं। कार्यक्रम संचालन जितेंद्र कौर ने किया और लोगों को आपस में जोड़ने की प्रतिक्रिया बताए। इस आयोजन में उपस्थित हुए सुशील पोद्दार CWBTA के अध्यक्ष, जिन्होंने अपने आप को सक्सेस करने का तरीका बताया और लोगों को व्यापार कैसे किया जाए इसके बारे में जानकारी दी। आइए देखें विशेष खबर।
This evening, as a president of EVO organization, a community of business professionals has achieved remarkable things by working together, and I am honored to lead this incredible group. Your success is our success. Finds valuable things part of the EVO. I encourage you all to actively participate, share your insights, and take advantages of the which EVO provide to each one of you as a networking organization. Together, we'll explore new avenues for growth, develop our skills, and expand our influence for giving references. I think all of you know giving references is very important, and to get references is also equally important. Then P2P and giving testimonials. When you give testimonial for somebody, they will also give the testimonial for you. My role is to ensure that our organization remains agile, responsive, and always ready to meet challenges and opportunities that comes our way. So I thank you for your trust and commitment to EVO. I look forward to working with you to create a network and not only support our individual ambition, but also to make a positive impact on our broader business community. Thank you. Happy birthday to you.
May the good God bless you. God bless you.
भाई सिगरेट किसके पास है? लाइटर दे दो। लाइटर दो ना। जल्दी दो। हाँ Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Alijo. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
এখানে এসে বন্ধ করেছি তুমি ফোন করেছিলে
मैं भी हूँ सुनीता जी।
अभी सबने एक दूसरे के बारे में बोला, बेस्ट बोला, उसको भी तो कुछ सरप्राइज मिलना
अरे कैंडल बुता दो।
अरे कैंडल गिरेगा उस पे। खराब हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, आपको कैसा लग रहा है एवीओ में आके?
बहुत अच्छा। जहाँ बिजनेस होता है वही अच्छा लगता है मेरे को। हमारा तो फार्मूला यही है, बिजनेस करो, बिजनेस बढ़ाओ, लोगों को बिजनेस की शिक्षा दो, लोग लगे रहें काम पे, तभी अच्छा है। और काम करेंगे तो पैसा कमाएंगे, और पैसा हर आदमी की जरूरत है, चाहे वो नौकरी करे तो उसको भी पैसा चाहिए, बिजनेसमैन है तो उसको भी पैसा चाहिए। और बिजनेस बढ़े, ईवो कनेक्ट बिजनेस बढ़ा रहा है। और सबसे ज़्यादा मैं लक्ष्य को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा हमारा मेंबरशिप लेने के लिए। और ऐसी कड़ी बढ़ती है। आज हमारे पास 150 एसोसिएशन क्यों हो गए? इसीलिए हो गए। आज 150 एसोसिएशन है तो हम लोग काफी बढ़ रहे हैं, आगे बिजनेस को बढ़ा रहे हैं।
तो व्यापारियों के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप?
व्यापारियों के लिए यही मैसेज है, निर्भय होकर काम करें। कोई भी भय का हो तो हमारे पास आ जाए, वो भय हम दूर कर देंगे।
तो निर्भय की बात करते हैं तो कलकत्ते में हर जगह भय भी है।
कोई भय नहीं है, कोई भय नहीं है। भारतवर्ष या पूरे विश्व में कहाँ भय नहीं है, कहाँ भय नहीं है? मेरे को एक जगह बताइए जहाँ भय नहीं है। हमने बांग्लादेश में देखा, अचानक से इतना बड़ा भय हो गया। हम और भी कंट्रियों में देखते हैं, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी दूसरी कंट्रियां नाम नहीं लेना चाहेंगे, जहाँ नाम कहीं कुछ भाग जाते हैं, कहीं कुछ हो जाते हैं। नेपाल में आए दिन कुछ देखते रहते हैं, हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं कुछ होते रहता है। अब है, अगर कष्ट है तो कट जाएगा। आदमी को बुखार आता है तो बुखार बाद में ठीक हो जाता है। वैसे ये है, कोई अगर कष्ट आया तो कष्ट ठीक हो जाएगा।
तो CWTA के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए क्या कहेंगे यहाँ?
CWBT रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, CWBT हर बिजनेसमैन का साथी है। हर मुसीबत में, हर अच्छे काम में साथ में खड़ा है। कभी भी कोई CWBTA के काम के लिए साथ हो तो हम तैयार हैं। कोई भी काम, किसी भी टाइप का काम, चाहे वो बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट का हो या कहीं डिपार्टमेंटल कोई प्रॉब्लम हो या कुछ भी असुविधा हो, CWBT कंधे से कंधे मिला के खड़ा है।
नमस्कार, मैं लक्ष्यराज देवगुरु जायसवाल और आज हमने 1 साल कंप्लीट किया है EVO कनेक्ट बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग क्लब में, जहाँ पे भिन्न प्रकार के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मिलते हैं और अपने बिजनेस को 2x 3x एक्सपांड करते हैं। आज हमने 1 साल कंप्लीट किया है, जहाँ मेंबर्स ने मिलके 8 से 10 करोड़ के बीच का बिजनेस बनाया है और नेक्स्ट 1 साल में हमारा टारगेट है कि 50 से 100 करोड़ का क्लब बनाए हम लोग मेंबर्स के लिए और सब मिल के बढ़े आगे और ग्रो करते जाए EVO कनेक्ट के माध्यम से। हमने बहुत यूनिक एक्टिविटी किया। सब तो अपने बारे में बोलते ही हैं, आज हम लोग एक दूसरे के बारे में बोलने लगे। चिट सिस्टम में हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, एक मेंबर दूसरे मेंबर के बारे में 30 सेकंड्स टू 40 सेकंड्स बताया है। आज हमने केक कटिंग किया, सेलिब्रेट किया और एंजॉय किया ये 1 साल के मोमेंट को। और आगे हम लोग बहुत आगे जाना चाहते हैं, बढ़ना चाहते हैं और मेंबर स्ट्रेंथ और उनके बिजनेस को बहुत आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। थैंक यू। लक्ष्यराज देवगुरु जायसवाल,
Bhattacharya, Vice President of EVO Networking. I'm excited to share how we can harness our mobile app and e-commerce tools to drive business growth. These resources are designed to elevate your experience and expand your opportunities. Our mobile app is powerful asset for your business. Please use it. Where? Please use it. Stay connected and engaged with the EVO network no matter where you are. Simplify your operations with instant messaging, connect with each other and real-time notification. E-commerce is also vital for staying competitive. You know that we have already launched our e-commerce. I encourage you to explore and fully utilize these tools. Our mobile app and e-commerce features are here to support and enhance your business endeavors. Let's work together to make EVO a cornerstone of our success and growth. Thanking you, Arindam Bhattacharya.
We are excited, right? For 1 year completion. Yeah. I am Moshabi Paul. As the Secretary of EVO, my role is to ensure the smooth conduct of our meetings and maintain clear communication within our organization. My key duties include 2 major parts. Number 1, swift conduct of meetings. I will ensure our meetings are well organized, start on time and run very efficiently, allowing us to focus on what matters most, networking and business growth. I am responsible for keeping accurate records of all members and meeting minutes. I will regularly inform you of upcoming feature presentation and important updates, ensuring that everyone is always in the loop. Apart from this, another one vital is GVH coordination. I will also oversee the coordination of our GVH program, ensuring a welcoming experience for all the visitors. Together, these efforts will help us create a more productive and cohesive environment. I am here to support each one of you, so feel free to reach out to me for any kind of necessity. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. And congratulations on EVO's first anniversary. I am Nikhil Bajaj. As the treasurer of EVO, my primary responsibility is to ensure that our financial operations are transparent, accurate, and up to date. My duty is to keep detailed records of all financial transactions. It's my duty to manage our funds responsibility, making sure that all expenses and revenues are accurately tracked and reported. I will regularly update our members on the financial health of the organization,
providing clear reports so that everyone is informed. By maintaining strong financial practices, I aim to support the continued growth and success of EVO. Thank you.
And the person who started EVO, Lakshya Jaiswal. So we should all stand and clap for him for keeping us together.
Good evening. So what a wonderful financial year 2023-24 of EVO Connect we spent. On 15th August 2023, founded EVO Connect Business Networking Club, Indian Shuddh initiative to expand globally. We started with 20 members on the day, and now approx 120 members we have. Many were the part of the journey and many stayed together for the future. We had an awesome bonding in the last 1 year, creating approx 8 CR of business amongst us and probably growing more towards to the 50 CR club. We at EVO look forward for members' growth and healthy and equalized environment. EVO means Entrepreneur Victory Organization, where all the members will reach their goal with power of bonding and networking. We introduced e-commerce, mobile app, affiliate marketing model in last 1 year. We did coffee meets in Chennai, Bangalore and Bangladesh, hoping to have presence there soon. Wish to have a great year ahead with full of love and more business. Thank you, Lakshya Raj Devguru Jaiswal.
Good evening, namaskar. Today, I give thank you to EVO Connect that they called me, and especially Laksh. He told me day before yesterday, you have to come in this program, and thank you for becoming our member, EVO Connect, the member of Confederation of West Bengal Trade Association. The subject given by Laksh to me, that how to grow the business. We all are businessmen here, we sitting here. So, first of all, I am sharing my feeling with you. If anyone want to do any business, it is my opinion that there is no failure in the business. There is no failure in the business. If you think positive, the positive wave will come and your business will grow. Because if, like just about Laksh, someone mentioned that he is in manufacturing engineering business, engineering goods business. So take the example of another his competitor, and he is doing the business of crores of rupees. Then why he is not? So especially in West Bengal, trade is huge of any product. You can take from Alpine to elephant. You see, in West Bengal, we have 11 crore plus people. Surrounding state, if you count, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, 7 sisters, Northeast, and nearby countries, we have the market of 40 crore plus people. There is a consumer market. Nowadays, वो कहते हैं पानी भी बिकता है. So we have seen somebody when they came into the mind of Kinley or Bisleri to pack the water in bottle and to sell in the market. They started selling. What is my opinion, and of course you all will agree, any business, if you want to start or you are doing, you give the focus on 2-3 things. When we are starting, say, small shop, any small shop of any product, in first day if we think that our product will sell of lakhs of rupees, it will not happen. Maybe there is zero sale first. But you have to continue your business in the market. You have to be in the market. Then only people will know this man is came with this product. Maybe day 1 day, 2 day, 3. Gradually the people will come. When I started my career, someone I think told that here are some lubricants about lubricants business.
I have done one of client's business.
Acha, which client?
Mr. Akhil Agarwal.
Acha, I know. That's why I'm just asking.
Okay.
I'm in lubricant business. First day when I started my business in the year 1980, I started with only 2,000 rupees. Only 2,000 rupees. But no salaries happen in 1 month. Continuous. No salaries happen. I feel very, what yaar, kya ho gaya ye? Kya kar diya? Then, but I have not give up. I have already thought कि नहीं कुछ करना है. Then somebody says, तुम ऐसा करो, इसमें और थोड़ा सा बढ़ाओ. ठीक है, चलो भाई हिम्मत करके और थोड़ा सा बढ़ाए. मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट. Gradually, business get started. And now whatever I am today because of my lubricant business only. So my message to you people only, you have a very good platform, Evo Connect. And what is the same thing similar in Confederation and Evo Connect? Our members are also, even Evo Connect is our member. So our members are also in the business of from Alpine to Elephant. This is our challenge. You just name it. You want this product and give me half an hour. In a very minimum price. The gentleman here sitting, Mr. Mansukhani, I know him since long. So I may call him for this any electronic this thing. So Mansukhani ji bhej dijiye. So we have strength of like that. Anything you name. कभी भी किसी चीज को जरूरत पड़ जाए आप just ग्रुप में डालना. And this is my challenge. In a minimum price. Is anyone sitting here from electrical market? No. Anyone? Maybe electrical market, electrical business.
Not here.
I'm giving one example. Once the 4 feet tubes, that LED tubes, I supposed to purchase in the retail market, say around 250 rupees. And the MRP was 450. So I thought यार बहुत सस्ता मिल गया. 450 वहाँ मैंने 250 मिल गया. One day when I gone into the depth, the friends from electrical market, यार तुम्हारा सामान हमको बहुत सस्ता में मिल गया 450 250 में. He said 110 में लेना है क्या? और मैंने 110 में खरीदा और आज भी मैं 110 या 100 में खरीदता हूँ. This is the thing. You multiple the numbers in this your Evo Connect, and of course join our meetings. I welcome all of you in Confederation meeting. That is why I took the challenge of shopping festival, Bengal shopping festival. One day I was just sitting in my room, ideal, कुछ करना है. So all of the sudden came to my दुबई में shopping festival होता है. तो बंगाल में बंगाल shopping festival करो. ठीक है. चलो इसी से बात करेंगे, गवर्नमेंट से बात करेंगे तो कुछ फायदा होगा, खर्चा कम होगा, वो लोग का सपोर्ट मिलेगा. You will not believe. Very second morning, one of the very senior person in government of West Bengal, I'm telling you the name, Dr. Amit Mitra, called me for a different purpose. for a different purpose. It was the story of April 2024, this year only. When he finished his talk, he said, আমি আপনাকে ফোন করছিলাম, একটা ব্যাপার ছিল, বলুন, আচ্ছা ভাবছি শপিং ফেস্টিভ্যাল একটা করা যায় বেঙ্গলে। ভেরি গুড আইডিয়া স্যার, যেরকম দুবাইতে হয়। তো in everyone's mind in the government, they noted Dubai shopping festival. So I said it's not that easy, Dubai shopping festival, let's start something. Then he said me, you wait, this election period is going on. I don't know whether I can talk to you about, because this is code of election, this thing. I said, okay, so no problem, you may call me. Just after 15 minutes he called, नहीं आप मेरे से मिल सकते हैं, हम लोग बात करें. So this is the challenge. Today we are going to do this Bengal shopping festival, and I welcome all of you. Just I am telling, we have time now, only 2-3 minutes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Because I have to tell about the Bengal shopping festival. So there is two part of the shopping festival. One is from 20th September 20th September to 24th of September. 5 days exhibition will happen at Vishwa Bangla Mela Prangon, formerly known as Milon Mela. It will 5-day exhibition, and again the same thing, from alpine to elephant. All the products will be there in both the store, entire outside area. Entire Vishwa Bangla Mela Prangan is booked for us. We have booked. Second part of this, parallelly from 20th September till 5th of October, there will be shopping festival. Now what is shopping festival? Of course, Dubai story is totally different. This is our first year, maybe in coming years, 3, 4, 5, after 3, 4, 5 years, we may be told to Dubai, because Dubai government support in lot of way, different manners, even flight fare, hotel, these things support. So our shopping festival, like my friend registered with us. We have a registration form, Google form, that I request Lux to share with you all people. So you will get registered anywhere in Kolkata and Greater Kolkata, means suburbs, North 20, South 24, and Howrah. When a shop is registered with us, we will try to decorate their shops. Try mean we will provide some danglers, tent card, some sorts of decoration, poster, etc. And some more things we are giving. That list is with you. That I asked Mr. Vinodji, please share to Lux.
Okay.
And you may decorate. Decorate means in front of your shop. You may put the gates. For those gates, generally municipal corporation people charge huge tax. So till the Durga Puja festival, there will be no tax. But the branding will have to be similar. The side panels you may decorate with your products, with your company name, etc., etc. So this is in brief. Broadly, definitely I will request us to share all of you. Thank you very much for hearing me, and you have a patience hearing. Thank you.